this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. And if into my dream you come,